This is my cordial request. If you think I have a big problem, so welcome again Rahas English here without money. I will provide service, no issues. Alhamdulillah. Because today is Rahas sir for my students. I can do anything for my students. And all the time, I believe the students are my world. Because most of the time I spend with my students. I have got 24 hours in a day. 6 hours or 5 hours I sleep. 2 or 3 hours I spend for doing different works. And rest of the time I spend with my students. Also not my family. Students are my family. Students are my world. I am very happy because of my students. Whenever I come to my class, I can smile with my energy. It's my patience. It's my emotions. For the last 10 years, I have sacrificed myself for my students. At the last of the day, I want to work my students. You have earned a skill. This is the called of speaking skill. What will you do right now? You have to polish it every day. After putting your shoes, if you don't polish, and tomorrow it's not possible to put up the shoes. Am I right or wrong? So what will you do? Definitely you have to polish every day. So it's natural. Am I right or wrong? Right. I want to request all of my students, please never give up. I don't want to say goodbye. Please welcome to Rahas English here. Every day. No goodbye. Everyone can cheat with you. Everyone can cheat with you. But money and skill never will cheat with you. Whenever you'll have skills, you'll have a lot of money. And whenever you'll have money and skills, so you'll have power. Right or wrong? Right. Until fulfill your dream, please continue it, continue it, continue it. Thank you very much. And no more today. Assalamu alaikum.